So today we are going to see a 1-minute strategy, which is quite simple. Even new traders can easily use it and make profit, but understand this strategy properly so that it becomes easy for you to use it. So in this we will add 3 indicators, like we will add 2 times moving average, and we will add the stochastic oscillator indicator. And after that we will also change the settings of these indicators so that their accuracy increases. So we place the first entry here, because here the pink line of the moving average is crossing the white line in the upward direction. And at the same time if we look below, we find that the stochastic oscillator is in oversold condition. This means that the market is now more likely to go up. So you can see, I have placed the trade on just 2 confirmations. One is an upward cross in the moving average, and the line of the stochastic oscillator is moving from oversold to overbought. So this is a very simple strategy, but in this you have to look at 2 or 3 more points. We will see them later. So here our entry has 1, but there is a high possibility of the market going higher, because right now the market is moving near the cross, and the stochastic line is also moving around 20. So once you have a good confirmation, you can place a few entries on the same chart like I have placed here. So after placing the trade, the market has moved down 1 candle, so I have placed the entry 2 more times. So now we will first see the settings of this strategy, and then we will understand it in detail. So first of all set the candle time 30 seconds. And after this set the trade time to 1 minute. After that go to the settings and add 2 moving average indicators. And add a stochastic oscillator indicator. Now we change their settings. So set the period of the first moving average to 5. And then I have changed the color settings a little bit, which you can see on the screen. Then go to the second moving average and set the period to 8. And its color settings have also been changed a little, which you can see on the screen. And the default settings of the stochastic oscillator are the best. I have just changed the color settings a little. And here all the settings have been set. Now let us understand the technique of placing a trade on it, so that you can understand how to use it properly. So here is a very nice chart. We have got all the confirmations here. Now all the confirmation have been found to place a trade here. I said this because here the pink line has crossed the white line in the downward direction. And at the same time the stochastic is moving from overbought to oversold. And another reason for the market to go down from here is that there is a resistance zone here. The market is going down taking the resistance here. So here our entry has been successfully won. After placing the entry, the market has come near this support. Now it may go up by 1 or 2 candles from here, but we will not place the trade. We look for the next chart. So here the pink line has crossed the white line nicely in the upward direction, and below the stochastic oscillator is also moving from oversold condition to overbought direction, and after the crossing the market was moving up rapidly, so I have placed an entry in the upward direction. And here our entry has won. Along with these indicators, pay some attention to support and resistance as well. This increases the accuracy of the strategy. So we can place the entry here also. So here this time the chart is a little different, because the cross has just formed in the chart, but the stochastic oscillator is already going from overbought to oversold, but still I placed the trade because the market is in a downtrend. The market has been moving in a downtrend for a long time, and here the market has pulled back a little, but again it has started moving in the downward direction, therefore I have placed the entry in the downward direction. So our trade has won here, but the market has just started going down, and due to the downtrend, the market can go down further. Therefore, we will place an entry here once again. So here the market is in a downtrend, and here the market has bounced back a bit, and now it is again going in the downward direction. And here this trade has also won. So here the pink line has crossed the white line in the upward direction, and below the stochastic oscillator is also moving from oversold to overbought direction. So the strategy works well, you just need to do some analysis with it, which I have explained in this video, and practice it a little in the demo account.